So I just got this outdoor hummingbird decoration, and if you like hummingbirds and glass decorations and glowing things, this might be exactly what you're looking for. It does have a switch up here inside this housing mechanism that allows you to turn on and off the solar powered lights. So right now it's on, but it's daytime, so the lights are not on because there's already plenty of light around. But if I were to cover this solar panel up here, then you can tell the lights do come on. See that? And I'll show you at night what they look like at night, because then by default it's dark enough to activate the lights in these things. So yeah, there's a little light in each of these little hummingbirds, and that's activated once it gets dark time. So I'll come back at night and show you what that looks like. And this is what they look like at night. You can see how they're glowing and also changing colors too. So all those little lights cycle through the various colors. Yeah, it's pretty. It's a fun decoration. So yeah, if you like hummingbirds and want some glowing decorations at nighttime, something that also looks nice during the day too, you might want to check these out. If you'd like to purchase it, there's a link in the description. We get a small commission and it would really help us out. Hey, my name's Chris, and with my wife Abby's help, we're on a quest to review literally everything.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense.